In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do bank reconciliation in Zoho Books. First, open Zoho Books and sign in to your organization. From the left sidebar, head to the Banking tab. You'll see a list of your connected or manually added bank accounts. Click the specific bank account you want to reconcile. Choosing the right account and statement period is key. So have your bank statement handy before you begin. Next, initiate the reconciliation. In the top right corner, click the gear icon to open settings, then choose Reconcile Account. This takes you into the reconciliation workspace where you'll compare what's in Zoho Books to what actually cleared the bank. Now click Reconcile. Now, you'll be prompted to enter the start date, end date, and the closing balance exactly as shown on your bank statement for that period. Double-check the dates match the statement and that you are using the ending balance on the statement, not the current online balance. A quick tip: verify you are reconciling the correct currency and account if you manage more than one. And make sure you are not overlapping periods. Once your details are in, it's time to match transactions. You'll see the list of transactions recorded in Zoho Books. Compare these to the lines on your bank statement and select the ones that appear on that statement. Zoho Books will automatically attempt to match items based on date, amount, and description, which speeds things up. Review those suggested matches carefully to confirm they're accurate. If you spot a discrepancy like a different amount or a transaction that isn't on your bank statement, don't select it. Only clear the items you can confirm appear on the statement for the dates you entered. Items you don't select will remain uncleared and carry forward to the next reconciliation period. As you select transactions, keep an eye on the cleared amount and the difference shown at the top or bottom of the screen. The goal is for the difference between your statement's closing balance and the cleared amount to be zero. If it's not zero, recheck dates, amounts, and whether you might have missed a transaction that's on the statement. Small typos or using the wrong statement balance are common causes of mismatches. When the difference is zero, you are ready to finalize. Click the Reconcile button to complete the process. Zoho Books will lock in that period, so your records align with the bank, giving you clean, reliable financials. That's it. Thanks for watching.